10 years ago, today I uploaded my very first YouTube video to this channel, not knowing how it was going to shape my future. Going into my 10th year, I've always thought about this video, like what do I say? What do I do? Do we look back and like talk about all the things that I've done? And I don't like the idea of that.
We would be here a long time too.
Yeah, and you guys already know what I've been doing, which is cool. I mean, I'm really making this video to say thank you for allowing me to do what I've done for all these years. Look back a little bit, but in reality, I want to talk about this. About 5 years into making YouTube videos, Ashley and I had our very first house built together here in Colorado, and we are looking forward to the future now because we are closing this chapter and moving on to something else. So this house right here, which you guys honestly haven't seen a whole lot, we are closing the chapter on this. As you can tell, we're all packed up. Been packed up for a little while now, and we are moving on to, I don't even know how to describe it, probably one of the most exciting chapters of our personal lives. And you may think, Talon, you show a lot of your personal life already, but we're about to show a lot more over the next year or the next 2 years. So we're gonna bring you guys along for the journey. Are you checking yourself out in the microwave right now?
No.
It sure looks like you were.
Short hair is hard, okay? Can I also make a preface to the video?
Sure.
I'm not pregnant. Let's just get that out of the way right now.
Not a pregnancy announcement.
Not a pregnancy
Relax.
announcement.
That is kind of one of the reasons why I never like showed this portion of our life. Like, this is our bathroom, the master bathroom.
Woohoo!
Where we get ready and shower every day that we're home. This is the first time you guys are probably seeing this, and the last time as well.
My shower chair.
Shower chair, look. Ashley has a little shower chair because of her hip surgery, which is good now. She's all healed up.
We're getting there. We are getting there.
We're doing like a whole house tour right now.
I know. Was this MTV Cribs?
Sure.
Cam, show us around.
Come
where
on.
the crunchy's hidden. You know where those are.
Last time at our house.
Yeah.
So our house has been kind of in this state for a little while now because there's been a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. It looks like a frat house. Like mattress on the floor, really no furniture. We do have mattress in the guest room, which all this stuff is going away. It's not gonna be here anymore. How do you feel about it?
About?
Living here in Colorado for 5 years, and now the house is going away.
I don't think your subscribers want to see a grown woman cry, so.
You look like you're about to cry.
I'm not about to cry.
Sounds like you're about to cry.
No, I'm not gonna cry.
Out here in the kitchen, you guys have seen me film videos and stuff out here. This was our living room. Still got a little bit more to pack up. Let's go to my old office.
Come on.
This is a great first house, I will say.
It was great.
This first bedroom here, this is where you guys may have remembered some of my early videos when we first moved here. So this was kind of my office for a little while until the downstairs studio. Another guest room over here. A bunch of friends have stayed with us over the years. Some long-term friends, long-term roommates.
A lot of long-term roommates. We kind of were a hostel, I feel like.
Yeah, we're a hostel because we are nomadic too. So when we travel, we appreciate when people are like, hey, do you want to stay in our guest room? Most of the time we say no, honestly, because we're traveling in a van or another vehicle that has sleeping quarters. But
the basement.
It's appreciated. Down here is the big old basement, which is unfinished for the most part. This is where I ran. Okay, we're recording. Hello.
Hey, quiet on set.
Quiet. Hey. Stop.
Quiet on set.
We have had lots of dogs at this house, as you guys like kind of know, but that's a part of our personal life that I never really dove into either. Camber is obviously ours. The other two dogs, they've been with us.
They're basically ours.
Yeah, they're pretty much our dogs. This is where I ran like Side Productions merch store, basically all by myself. Everything, my whole inventory was here. What did you do?
basically all by yourself?
What did you do?
You know what? I'm never dropping off a package for you again at the post office.
You have dropped off.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then here, I never even gave you
God, that
guys,
looks bad.
it looks so bad.
Oh God.
I never gave you guys a tour of this studio, but the walls look so bad right now because I had foam paneling all up on here.
It's all up on there.
Very echoey now.
How did that sound?
My good friend Jonathan, one of my tattoo artists, he's put a lot of ink on my chest, on my back.
On your butt.
He painted this while we were gone like 2 years ago in Mexico, I think. I don't even know how long that's been there. I wish I could take this with me because it's such a cool piece of art. He inlaid gold flake in the ring around the bird, the talons, super rad. We'll just have him come do another one at our next spot. Speaking of that, so this one might be, I mean, it's not a complete shocker because I have been hinting about this stuff really for quite a while now. I'm not gonna give you all of the details because we do want to remain somewhat private, but going forward into this new year now, I mentioned that we are going to be living on the road, which we are for the most part, visiting family and friends here and there. Mm-hmm. And everything else that we have in this house is going to a storage unit, and anything remaining is going into the van and gonna be traveling around, living out of the van for a while. How do you feel about that?
I feel great. I'm ready to get this out of here. Let's go.
Yeah, we are.
Pack it up.
I say we're in Denver. We're not technically in Denver, but we're close enough where I don't like the city. I'm not a city guy. The convenience of it, great and all, but we're just gonna dive right into it. The secret that we've been holding for a little while now, really only friends and family know about this, is that we purchased some acreage. We bought some land, and this is not a recent thing. This was in October of 2024. We have owned this land for a while. We've been kind of doing some stuff with it here and there, but haven't really talked about it or shown you guys. Again, really only a select group of people even know about this, but we are in the process of building basically our dream home. Mm-hmm. And there's a lot of stuff that goes into that. Side garage is going to go from this 2-car garage that is jam-packed with stuff all the time into a full-blown, like, proper shop space.
Bigger than our house.
I'm building a shop that is bigger than the new house that we're building. So I do plan on bringing you guys in the loop once things get a little more underway. I'm thinking maybe like monthly updates depending on how things go. I'm still going to be living on the road. Ashley is still going to be working somewhere in the country, maybe travel nursing, maybe sticking around to the hospital that she's currently at.
Who knows?
We don't really know, but we are excited. So this is closing the chapter, at least on this house, and we are going to be spending a lot of time visiting friends and family and working towards building the dopest house ever.
It's gonna be great.
Is it in Colorado? Maybe. Maybe it's in Texas. It's not in Texas.
I would rather
It's not in California either.
remove my fingernails one at a time.
I think that's all that I got. I just wanted to fill you guys in on really like a big portion of the next step of where this channel's going. You can still expect all the normal stuff, but I just want to say thank you for 10 years of doing this. This 10th year that I'm about to be going through is going to be insane because I never thought I would even be able to do this full time and use camera, videography, photography to have my own business and have the freedom that I have. So it's really rad. And yeah, I guess instead of looking back, I wanted to look towards the future and fill you guys in on everything that's going on.
We're so proud of you.
Are you?
Me and the subscribers.
Oh, thank you. I hate these like opening up videos, like a lot of cool stuff, but
Big share guy.
we can't share everything because then we lose all privacy. More and more stuff will come out over time, but I just want to, like, all of our friends and family know. They don't even know like the in-depth of it all though.
No.
All right, that's it. I could sit here and kind of ramble all day. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Videos are going to be spread out as much as they've been. I will never miss a weekly upload. I haven't missed a weekly upload in 10 years.
That's something to be seriously proud of.
Yeah, it's a lot of videos.
That's a lot of videos. But I just mean like the consistency is pretty impressive.
It's key. Video production will ramp up once we're turning off all the lights here and locking the doors and actually leaving, so.
And Ashley's a mentee bee.
She's gonna have the good old mentee bee.
Pretty impressive.
You guys will see that in the next episode. If you're new here for some reason, consider subscribing. I make new videos every single week and I'm not stopping through this 10th year. I'll talk to you in the next one.